Okay, let's select A2 to C7 and E2 to F7, and we do that by clicking in A2, hold the Shift key, click C7, hold the Control key and click in E2, and then hold the Shift key and click F7. And then click the Chart Wizard button, and on the Standard Types tab, let's select bar and stacked bar. We can close that help window and then click next and confirm the range, and we want columns selected and next, and type hardware sales as the chart title. And then click next. And we want to select as new sheet and finish. And now click on the Chart 1 tab and drag it to the end. And then right click on the Chart 1 tab and select tab color, and let's select a bright green and OK. Now point to an empty area of the chart background and right click on it, and let's select Chart Options and click the Legend tab and click bottom as the placement and OK. And now select the heading text Hardware Sales and click the font size drop arrow and let's select 20. And now right click on the chart area background and select Chart Type. And let's select Columns under Chart Type, and we'll leave it at Clustered Columns and say OK. And now double click on the tool list column for monitors, and on the Patterns tab let's click on green, and OK. And now make sure the chart toolbar is showing. Let's right click on the toolbar and select Chart, and click the Chart Type drop arrow, and let's select 3D column chart. And yes. Well, let's click undo. And now double click on an empty area of the chart background between the columns, and we want to select a yellow color and OK. And now double click the rightmost monitor column, and in the Format Data Series dialog box let's select the Pattern tab and Fill Effects button and the Picture tab, and let's click Select Picture, and let's browse to our XLXP core folder and double click on Lara 2. And let's select Stack under Format and OK and OK, and let's save that.